I don't do a lot of these shorts videos, but I was just sitting in the house and I heard something hit and went and checked, and there's this little guy stunned. Usually I would just kind of leave him be, but we have a cat and I didn't want it to get him while he was down on his luck there. But just another example of always be paying attention to what's going on around you. You never know, you might be able to help a little guy out. You good? You okay? No? Still got a little fight in you? Pooped on my table?